How to configure settings in PolyLens Desktop. You can customize your experience of the PolyLens Desktop app by configuring the settings for your connected devices. Let's explore these options in more detail. The Account section displays your name and email address and contains the Login or Log Out button. General allows you to choose whether you want PolyLens to start up automatically upon login and if you want the application to launch minimized. Under Soft Phone, you can select which soft phone to use for outgoing calls and to generate a dial tone. You can also enable and disable supported soft phones and media players. Any changes will be saved automatically. Notification and device alerts controls several app features. By using the Wellbeing toggle, you can set hydration and vision break reminders. When you tick the hydration reminder box, a link appears to the right, showing either set reminder frequency or your current reminder settings. Click it to configure the time and frequency of your reminders, then select OK. Vision break reminders are set in the same way. Device alerts allows you to receive alerts for the various device statuses listed. Software Update advises you if updates are available for connected devices. If an update is available, the settings icon displays a notification. The notification is also displayed under Software Update. Language sets the language used in the application. Upon selecting Software Update, you will see the current PolyLens Desktop version number, whether an update is available, and a link to the release notes. When an update is available, select Update to initiate it. Once the download is complete, select Continue to exit PolyLens and install the update. The About section provides links to Poly's privacy policy and the End User License Agreement. Finally, select Restore Defaults to restore PolyLens Desktop to its default settings. The app reminds you that this action will restore all default settings for Lens. Select OK. Tick the box to confirm that you agree to the Poly End User License Agreement, then select Proceed. PolyLens Desktop returns to its default settings. All disconnected devices will be removed. However, connected devices will stay connected. The software opens on the first-time user page. Use the Login button at the bottom of the page to log in again using your preferred account option, either single sign-on or local. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.